Hi there! I'm gonna show you now how to stitch the new tote bag or new kit. So first you're gonna put your hook on your tote bag like that, and I'm using a stand now. It's like embroidery stand that I got from Etsy, but if you don't have it, that's fine. It's just nice to make the videos, but you can just like do your embroidery like normally you do. So first we're gonna use light blue color to do the outline. So because this is like, if we don't split this, it's gonna be too thick in my opinion, so I'm gonna split this and it's gonna be thinner, so we're gonna have an outline like that, like so much thinner and detailed. So you're gonna split that. If you want like to do it thicker, like that's fine, so you can do it any way you want, but for me I think I prefer doing it thinner now. So we're gonna thread our needle like that, and once it's ready we're gonna start doing some backstitch here. We're gonna start stitching all that in here of the moon with the blue color. So once we finish that, we can start doing other things or like change colors. So we're gonna stitch one stitch and then coming back on the same from the back like that. We're gonna continue doing the whole line of the moon. Remember to do all the knots on the back. I'm not doing them right now because I'm working with the stand, so I'm gonna do them in the end, but you need to do your knots very tight because then you need to wash your tote bag by hand, of course, but so we don't want the stitching go away.